Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning text effect in Canva that will transform your visuals in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, pick your image into Canva and drag it onto your design canvas. Next, head over to the Apps section and search for Typecraft. Select the app, type in your desired text, choose the font Anton for a bold look, change the color to white. Now, here's where the magic happens. Adjust your text to fit the shape of your image, in this case, the edges of the melon. This step makes your design truly unique. To add depth, duplicate the page, delete the original melon image, and then go to Elements. Choose a square, resize it, and set its color to black. Send it to the back using the Layers panel, and download this new image. Delete the old one. Upload your edited image back into Canva and place the new image on your canvas. Head to Edit Image, remove the background, and use the Duotone filter to change the color to white. Crop the image from the sides to refine the look. For a finishing touch, go to Elements, type Shadow, and apply a shadow graphic to the bottom of your text. This adds a subtle, professional feel. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful typography effect that elevates your design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. See you in the next video.